Hello, Space Cadets. Today we will be learning all about the solar system. Our standard for this lesson is distinguish among the following objects of the solar system: sun, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and identify Earth's position in it. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the 8 planets and characteristics of each. You will have gained basic knowledge regarding the sun, including its position and purpose in the solar system, and will be able to name characteristics of comets and asteroids, as well as be able to identify their similarities and differences. The solar system is made up of all the planets that revolve around the sun, as well as moons, comets, and asteroids. Gravity is the force that attracts all the objects in the solar system to the sun. The solar system includes 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In this lesson, we will explore the characteristics of these individual planets. The sun is a star found at the center of the solar system. Light from the sun reaches the Earth in about 8 minutes. It has the largest mass in our solar system, and 74% of its mass is made up of hydrogen. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It only takes 88 days to orbit the sun. Mercury is made mostly of iron. Its surface is covered with craters and is completely dry. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system, closest to the Earth, and is smaller when compared to it. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Earth, our home, is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is the densest planet in the solar system and is currently believed to be the only planet that supports life. It is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. Mars is often called the red planet. It is the 4th planet from the sun. It has seasons, just like Earth does, and Mars is significantly smaller than Earth. Jupiter is the giant of the solar system, with a mass more than 300 times of the Earth. It is the 5th planet from the sun. It is the stormiest planet. Saturn is the 6th planet in our solar system. The bright globe of Saturn is surrounded by rings which is composed of ice. Uranus is the only planet to spin on its side. It is thought to have a core of diamonds, 7th planet from the sun, and it cannot be seen from the Earth without a telescope. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. It is one of the 4 gas giants. It is composed only of gas. It takes 165 of our Earth years to orbit the sun. It is a great ball of hydrogen and helium.